Hello? Today you begin creating your future brain. A brain that attracts possibilities, that recognizes opportunities, and that knows. Wealth is an inner state long before it's an outer result. Everything you need to prosper is already inside you. It's simply been dormant. Until now. Close your eyes, sit with presence, and allow your mind to step into creator mode. Part 1. Calming the system, making space for the new. Take a deep breath in, hold it for 3 seconds, and release slowly, letting go of the weight of scarcity. Again, inhale and let it go. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a golden light turning on there. This light moves downward, illuminating every part of your brain, your frontal cortex, where you make conscious decisions, your limbic system, where your emotions live, your brain stem, where your automatic responses reside. Silently repeat, my brain learns to prosper with ease. I allow my nervous system to get comfortable with abundance. Part 2. Neuroplasticity and belief unblocking. Now picture an old dark road. This is the path of scarcity, self-sabotage, comparison, and doubt. You see it, and you decide, I'm not going there anymore. In front of you, a new road begins to appear. With every breath, you're building it. With courage, with worthiness, with clarity. Repeat with me. I am the architect of my reality. Money flows to me naturally. I create value. I receive value. Now imagine that with each new synapse your brain forms, you're installing a new code, a code of wealth, of stability, of gratitude. Part 3. Planting thoughts of wealth. Now visualize your future self. This version of you lives with financial ease. They wake up with lightness. They choose with clarity. They know they can. They know they deserve. They look at you with love and say, trust the process. A wealthy brain is born when you believe in yourself. You no longer need to fight to prove your value. Your value is already real. Feel that in your body, in your chest, your stomach, your face that softens into a peaceful smile. Repeat, I am someone who attracts wealth with wisdom. The universe responds to my aligned energy. Money is welcome. Abundance is my new normal. Closing. Final installation. Take a deep breath in and imagine an invisible switch being activated inside your brain. That switch says, Wealth Mode On. You are reprogramming yourself, and each time you do this practice, the pattern grows stronger. Now move your fingers, your toes. Bring your awareness back to the room and open your eyes with a new intention. Today, I act like someone who lives in abundance. Final invitation. If this meditation sparked something in you, if you want to keep reprogramming your mind for success, subscribe to the channel now. Here, you'll find weekly practices rooted in neuroscience, creative visualizations, and real strategies to unlock your mind and live your full potential. Comment. My brain is wealthy. My mind is free. My life is prosperous.